This is the Nissan Frontier Rapid Runner, a whitewater support vehicle designed for the rough terrain between river access points. It starts with a Titan-based suspension and axle swap, Bilstein shocks and a body lift to clear the 37-inch Yokohama mud terrain tires. The bed and roof racks carry multiple kayaks without sacrificing storage space. The interior is outfitted for wet gear with waterproof seat covers and rinse-ready flooring. Onboard solar power, storage systems, and a portable shower help keep crews moving through long days on the river. Rapid Runner isn't built to look adventurous. It's built to operate out there, where water, mud, and time test everything.